Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today's project is for Citrus Toolkit, and I just want to give you an idea of what you can use or what you can do with the 3x8 digital cards or bookmarks that are available in the digital shop at Citrus Toolkit. I'm going to show you two things that you can do with them. One of them is you can open them and print them as is from your file, and you can use that. You can use a PDF reader or you can use your computer just to print them. In my case, I am using Photoshop because I want to show you something else you can do with it after. And all I'm doing right now is I open the file. Again, this already comes sized as 3x8. You can add a picture in it. You can embed a picture on it. You can actually add some typing. And especially this card here, it's pretty enough that you can use as a title. And these cards are great for Project Life books. They're good for scrapbooking. They actually work really good on traveler's notebooks. So I'm going to just show you another one of the cards, and this one is, it says Wanderlust in the title. And what I love about these cards, and this one the ones that I use a lot of my TN, is that they have a lot of empty space where you can add your journal, you can embed a picture, and as you see right now, all I'm doing is once you open the file, it comes already sized as 3x8, and all I'm doing is adding typing. However, I chose not to type on it and just print it as is because I want to show you that you don't have to use Photoshop to use him in my case, in the traveler's notebook. Now, again, super simple. You just send it to print and it's done. Now I want to show you what I usually do for my traveler's notebook and why I love how versatile these cards can be, especially if you do a hybrid scrapbooking, which is what I'm going to show you, and the way that I create a lot of my traveler's notebooks, just because I do a daily entry, and this shortens the time. So as you can see right now, what I'm doing is I'm creating a new file, and I already have created, and this is a file was created to fit the size of a page of a standard Midori, which is what I use. So around 4.3 by 8 and 8.25, sorry, that's the size of a page of a standard traveler's notebook. So all I did after that is I went to the menu, the file, and went down. It says place embedded, and I picked I click on that, and it's just gonna bring you to whatever you want to add to it. And in this case, I'm bringing the card. And all I'm doing, and the beauty of working with Photoshop is that it shows you the limits, and it actually helps you center the card without you guessing it. It's gonna show those little purple lines when you have hit the center. So all I'm doing right now is I'm moving the limits of the card so that it fits the entire page of the TN. And as you see right now, I'm just playing with it until I'm happy or satisfied with what it looks like. Once that's done, I went to the top tab and I just click on the check mark. That's just gonna set it in place. That's my first layer. Now what I'm gonna do, and usually I've set up the Photoshop, is that once that's done, right away it goes to the texting mode. And all I'm doing is adding my lines of journal, and it's super easy. If you don't know how to do it, just go on the left hand side panel of the Photoshop and pick on the T, and that's just text. And I'm just gonna start typing everything for this traveler's notebook page. Takes no time, and all I did is I want to block it, so I'm going to center all my lines. Once I'm happy with that, and that just give me a better idea of how big the picture is going to be, whatever, it just helps me set up the next page in a way that where the picture is going to go. I just go ahead and click on everything, set it, and I'm going to print it. And this is the second option of what you can do with these cards using Photoshop. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Check out the cards this month. They're great because they match all three kits. They match this scrapbook kit, the Project Life kit, and also the Outside Stories kit, which is the add-on kit. And don't forget to check the new kits. They're amazing. They're beautiful. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care.